conscious fear is essential for creating intimacy in relational spaces. When my conscious fear, when I allow my numbness bar to be low and I allow my fear and to rise, and I split some of my attention to noticing it so that I can be getting the information and the energy from my conscious fear. This makes it possible for me to, in a relational space, be alive in the space and using my scanners and my detectors to pick up on the subtle movements in the space. And when I'm pointing my detectors and scanners towards myself, I can be noticing what scares me about being in this space, and this will be a clue to what I have to contribute to the relational space. And then I can dare to speak from my fear and ask questions from my fear and notice things out loud from my fear and check things out from my fear so that assumptions and expectations can be caught and noticed and not grow into disappointments and resentments. I can also use my fear to find out where I'm vulnerable so that I can engage in the space with the other person vulnerably and then create radical honesty and intimacy in a relational space. And this is impossible when my numbness bar about my fear is high, or when I'm using my fear unconsciously to block and stop and stay safe in a relational space.